Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Safety at Home. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and understanding of this unit. And before this, in English for grade 2, I have taught you how to use pre-reading strategies to predict this story. I hope you remember this strategy. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. How do we predict this story? By looking at the pictures. So today we are going to learn further to use pre-reading strategies to predict some words that might occur in a text by looking at the picture or title. Describe events in a picture or illustration. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with a beautiful hadith mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari 7138, Sahih Muslim 1829. Abdullah ibn Umar reported, Abdullah ibn Umar anhu reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace and blessings be upon him, said, every one of you is a shepherd and is responsible for his flock. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful hadith is telling us. Beta, our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us that all of us, everyone, is a responsible person. You are a shepherd. So whatever is your responsibility, that is your flock. You should fulfill your responsibility, right? I'm a teacher. It's my responsibility to teach you in a nice way. You are a student. It is your responsibility to learn attentively. Try to learn more and more. So beta, we all are responsible for whatever, wherever we are, whatever we're doing, whatever is our surrounding, we are responsible for everything. Right? This is what our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us, and this is the theme of this story as well. So before starting this story, you just predict the lesson by looking its title and its pictures. So look at these pictures and try to find out what's going on in the story, and also try to say few words that might occur in this story. So pause the video, enjoy this brainstorming activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you must have noticed there is stuff on floor. So is it the right thing? No, when we are playing, after playing, we should clear up the mess, because on this stuff someone can trip. We should not go near the fire. We should be careful while using electricity, on stairs, and whatever we are doing. This is what we think might be discussed in this story. Now let's see what is written there. So here we go. All of you open your book on page number 51 from the very first sentence. I'm going to read it. Listen carefully, because after me you will read it. We hurt ourselves and accidents happen due to our carelessness. What does accident mean? An event happens by chance, an unpleasant happening. And what is carelessness? Negligence. So whenever we are careless, accident may happen. This is what the message is. Okay. We should be careful while walking on the wet floor, like the bathroom and kitchen floor. So whenever there is wet floor, we should be careful. We can badly hurt, like many children fall as they run while going up or downstairs. So you can see in the picture, if you are careless on the stairs, either you are going upstairs or you are coming downstairs, you may trip. So be careful, beta. While you are on stairs, be very careful. Okay, and tell this to others as well. Be careful when walking on the stairs. We should take steps carefully, right? We should not rush and we should not run. We should take steps carefully. Sometimes we get hurt while trying to cut something with the help of a knife, blade, or scissors. We should not play with sharp things. We should use a small scissors to cut paper or to do some craft work. Now you tell me, why should we avoid using sharp things? What do you think? What happens? Why should we avoid using sharp things? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, the answer is there. We can hurt ourselves, okay? So we can, whenever we are trying to cut something, we can hurt ourselves. That's why we should be careful. We should avoid. Because you are not grown up enough to use sharp things. So when you will be grown up enough, you will be given sharp stuff. But right now, you should avoid it, okay? When our favorite cartoon is coming on the TV, we run carelessly in a hurry and touch the switchboard to turn on TV with a wet hand. That's bad. Do we do that? We should not. When you turn on the TV or any other electronic appliance, and what does electronic appliance mean? With all the machinery which we use with electricity, like to start that we need electricity, that is known as electronic appliance, right? So when you turn on the TV or any other electronic appliance with wet hands, you can get an electric shock. So what is the message? So never touch electric wires with wet hands. Okay, rather beta, I suggest you should not switch on. You should not go near the switchboard because still you need to be careful. So that's it. I'm stopping my reading over here. Rest of the text we'll read by tomorrow. Now it's activity time. It's your turn. What you are going to do? Teacher will divide the class in groups and students will describe pictures of this unit in groups. You will read the text again and you will explain the pictures in this text. So pause the video, and every one of you is going to participate. Pause the video, enjoy this activity in your groups, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your comprehension. These are the questions from the text we just read. You will answer these questions to your teacher and then you will write the answers in your notebook. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good, you're smart and quick. So here is a homework. You will paste a picture of an event in your notebook. First, you will paste a picture and write few sentences to describe that event. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So in this way, we have achieved our SLOs to use pre-reading strategies to predict some words that might occur in a text by looking at its title and pictures, describe events in a picture or illustration. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again and we'll continue and complete reading of this unit. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.